Wait.
Rather you make feel. I want to understand. Close the door. Vishal, right? Pay attention, okay guys? Close the notebooks. Start.
Good evening, everyone. How are you?
We are good.
Yeah, I hope that you are good. My dear friends, before starting this wonderful presentation, I want to ask a question. Can I ask?
Sure.
So, what is the population of India?
It is nearly 140 crore.
Remember,
138 around.
Tremendous. Yeah, I want to add some point. The population of India is over 140 crores and 65% is a youth. My dear friends, we are the youth and we are going to be change the society. We are the youth, we are going to be develop our country. We are the youth, we are going to be future of India. My dear friends, what is our youth doing? My dear friends, we get disappointed when we see which kind of activities they do. We get disappointed when they are hyperactive on a social media. They spend maximum time on there. My dear friends, our youth should be responsible. Our youth should be dedicated. My dear friends, they have lack of dedication. So let me start this presentation with some beautiful lines. Good evening, respected director sir, faculty member, and all my lovely friends. Welcome you all on this gorgeous occasion. Hi, I am Vishal Kumar, and at present I am learning English from American Institute of Bhopal. Today, I would like to pay thanks to Sir that he gave me this great opportunity to stand on the podium and express my view before you guys. I want to thank you people for being here. Today, I am extremely delighted to share my thoughts over the topic, the youth of India is the future of India. Yes, my dear friends, we all know that India is the youngest country in the world. Why? Because India has huge number of youth and all countries know that Indian youth has some different kind of abilities, talent. We can see that Sundar Pichai, he is the CEO of Google and he is from India. We can see that the CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, he is from India. My dear friends, it's the gallery of India and they have dazzled the name of India. My dear friends, today I will tell you some reason why the youth of India is the future of India. So my first reason is youth has power, potential and energy. Because of that, they can change our society, they can develop our society, they can make our future. If they individually make their future, definitely they will grow the society, they will develop the society. My dear friends, youth has individually commonwealth for our entire country. My dear friends, they are aware for rebalance things. They are changing our society. They are doing great jobs. They are doing noble jobs. We can see that. My dear friends, we can see that. Nowadays, youth are facing some kind of problem. They have lack of dedication. Because of that, they are not doing wrong. They are not doing right thing. My dear friends, they have a lack of proper mentor like a Samir sir. That's why they are not aware of these things. My dear friends, suppose they got a mentor as a Samir sir, they will change their society, they will improve their personality, and definitely if they will improve such, they will get a good job. If they get a good job, definitely our society and country will be changed. My dear friends, my second and a very important reason why the youth of India is the future of India. Youth have ability and to adapt the environment. Yes, my dear friends, we get disappointed when we see our youth has a talent, degree and a skill. In spite of that, they don't have a job. Why? Because of pathetic education system, because of poor politics, because of crime and corruption, because of patriotic. My dear friends, we can see that in this situation we complete our graduation in spite of we don't get the job. Why? Because we have lack of skill. So we should come forward and our government should change the pattern of education system. My dear friends, our education system is a totally theoretical rather than practical. My dear friends, our education system is totally exam oriented rather than knowledge oriented. We can relate easily because we are the student. We study in a college and we know in a good way. We have to cover our syllabus because we have to score good marks. We have to maintain our GPA. That's why, my dear friends, the education system of our country is not good. Our government should work on it. Our government should include technical skill. In the help of, we can get good education. If we get, then we can change our society. My dear friends, my third and my last but not least reason why the youth of India is the future of India. My dear friends, youth has idea, innovation, creativity. We can see that Alak Pandey sir as the founder of Physics Wala, and Praful Billore as the founder of MBA Chai Wala. My dear friends, we can also see that Khan sir is the founder of Khan Research Organization. These are the youth. These are the actual youth, and they have responsibility. They have dedication. They are doing great job. They are just making our India educated India. They are providing optimal education. Because of that, we can afford. Suppose a person who belong to a respectable middle class family, he has lack of money, and that because of that he could not get education. But because of this guy like Alak Pandey sir and Khan sir, because of their social platforms like Physics Wala app and Khan Research Organization app, we can enroll in 200 rupees and we can get our education. My dear friends, we cannot make future for our youth, but we can make youth for our future. That's all about my presentation. At last, thank you so much, people.
Very good. Come here. Vishal,
Yes, sir.
switch off your video and start it again.
Okay, sir.